All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some phonics in English. So A, or A. So table, able, A, table, table. And then we have rain. So rain, rain. Here we are. Perfect. So rain, rain, A, not tay, but A, rain, rain. And game, aim, game, ae, get aim, game. And then we have great, great. Let's have a look. Great. Here we are. Great. Great. Eight. Great. Great. Nice. And ay. Say. 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 So say, to speak. What did he say? They. A. Pronounced very similar, but spelt EY. They. What are they doing? They are here. They. EY. And vein. EI. Vein. Like the veins running through the body. Veins. Vein. EI. Vein. Not AY or AE. EI. Vein. And straight. AIGH. Straight. 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 Then eight. Eight. So different ways of saying A. The phonic A, the letter A. So A, table, rain, game, great. Say, they, vein, straight, eight. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.